Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of selling printable digital products. If you've ever wondered how to turn your creativity into cash online, this video is for you. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Chapter 1. Understanding printable digital products. First things first, what exactly are printable digital products? Well, they're downloadable files that customers can print at home. These can range from art prints, planners, invitations, worksheets, and much more. The key here is creating something that provides value to your target audience. Chapter 2. Choosing your niche. Now, let's talk about niche selection. It's crucial to identify a niche that interests you and has a demand in the market. Research what people are looking for and what your competition is offering. Finding a unique angle is key to standing out. Chapter 3. Creating your printable products. Creating your printable products can be done using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. You'll want to design visually appealing and high-quality printables. Make sure they're easy to print and use. Chapter 4. Setting up an online store. Once you have your products ready, it's time to set up an online store. There are various platforms you can use, like Etsy, Shopify, or even your website with e-commerce capabilities. Choose the one that suits your needs and target audience best. Chapter 5. Product listings and descriptions. Your product listings need to be eye-catching and informative. Use high-quality images and write clear, enticing descriptions. Explain the benefits of your product and how it can solve your customers' problems. Chapter 6. Pricing strategies. Pricing can be tricky. Research what similar products are selling for and consider your production costs. Don't undervalue your work, but also remain competitive in your niche. Chapter 7. Marketing your products. To start making sales, you'll need to market your products. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO optimization to drive traffic to your store. Engage with your audience and build a brand presence. Chapter 8. Customer support and feedback. Customer support and feedback. This is the heart of building a loyal customer base and a successful online business. 1. Be responsive to inquiries. One of the cornerstones of excellent customer support is being responsive. When a potential customer reaches out with questions or concerns, aim to respond as quickly as possible. Quick responses show that you value their time and are genuinely interested in helping them. 2. Address any issues promptly. Mistakes happen in any business, and when they do, it's essential to address them promptly and professionally. If a customer encounters a problem with their purchase, take ownership of the issue and work towards a resolution. Going the extra mile to resolve problems can turn a dissatisfied customer into a loyal one. 3. Encourage reviews and feedback. Reviews and feedback are not only valuable for potential customers but also for your business growth. Encourage your customers to leave reviews after their purchase. Positive reviews can significantly boost your credibility and attract more customers. Respond to all reviews, both positive and negative, to show that you value feedback and are committed to improving your products and services. 4. Building trust and credibility. Consistent and excellent customer support builds trust and credibility in your brand. When customers see that you genuinely care about their satisfaction, they are more likely to become repeat buyers and recommend your products to others. Trust is a fundamental factor in any successful online business. 5. Learning and improvement. Feedback from customers can be a goldmine of information. Use it to improve your products and services continually. When customers see their suggestions or concerns being addressed, they are more likely to remain loyal to your brand. This iterative process of improvement is crucial for long-term success. 6. Going the extra mile. Sometimes, going above and beyond in customer support can leave a lasting impression. Consider offering bonuses, discounts, or personalized thank you notes to show your appreciation for their support. These small gestures can turn one-time buyers into lifelong customers. Conclusion. In conclusion, customer support isn't just a department, it's a mindset. It's about building relationships, ensuring satisfaction, and continuously working to improve your business. When you prioritize customer support and feedback, You're not only creating happy customers but also setting the stage for the sustainable growth of your printable digital product business. Remember, happy customers are more likely to become your brand ambassadors, spreading the word about your products and helping your business thrive. Feel free to adapt and incorporate these points into your video script to emphasize the significance of exceptional customer support in your printable digital product business. Chapter 9. Scaling your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line, collaborating with influencers, or even running paid advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to sell printable digital products. Remember, success in this business takes time and effort, but with dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into a thriving online business. Closing thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your printable digital product journey. Feel free to adapt and customize this script to fit your personal style and the specific details you want to highlight in your video.